like stashing. She likes stashing. She likes
Boys, parties, style, fame.
she likes
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on whatever time you're watching me. My name is Damola, and we are back on a fresh episode of the Gist on Plugtv. Now, if you're a newcomer, I'd like to tell you congratulations because you're going to turn to Mario in this place. In other words, Hibilo Makosi, because yeah, we bring you everything. We bring you entertainment, we bring you education, we bring you information all in one place. So, before we go into the gist of today, do me one favor, subscribe to Plugtv to be able to get all the other videos first hand. Don't go anywhere. My name is still Damola, your host to the most, and I will be right back. Welcome back to the Gist on Plugtv, that program where we give you first-hand information, first-hand education, and of course, first-hand entertainment. Now, if you remember on the last episode of the Gist, I told you guys that one case of coronavirus has been reported in Nigeria, Lagos precisely. However, the Minister of Health told us at a press conference that another case of this coronavirus has been reported in Nigeria. Now, this case was reported in Ogun State, Shagamu precisely. However, there is no significant clinical symptom of this coronavirus, but somehow they have made us believe that there is another case of coronavirus in Nigeria. Now, don't be afraid. If you missed the last video, I'm going to tell you again. Now, coronavirus is very, very preventable as much as it is contagious, but it is highly preventable. To start with, never go out without an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. When you come in contact with anything, please try to sanitize your hand. Also, wash your hands as often as possible, and also stay hydrated because water helps you build antibodies to fight against any virus or any sickness that wants to come into your body. If you do these things, trust me, coronavirus cannot come anywhere near you. And of course, don't forget, pray, because prayer conquers everything. Don't go anywhere. It's still the Gist on Plugtv. I'll be right back. The Emir of Kano, Muhammad Sanusi II, one of the most influential Muslim leaders, has been dethroned. Now, many people said he was dethroned because of insubordination, but if you can remember very well, he didn't go well with the re-election of Ganduje in the last election. Now, they also said he refused to show up at the panel when he was accused of mismanagement of funds. Now, this decision did not really sit down well with a lot of Nigerians because, according to what we heard, he was actually sent out on exile. That means he was banished totally from the land. That's like a very, very disgraceful way to dethrone a powerful leader. Don't go anywhere. It's still the Gist on Plugtv. Welcome back to the Gist on Plugtv. Now, a few days ago, our favorite Big Brother Nigeria couple, Bam Bam and Teddy A, welcomed their first daughter to the world. Teddy A took to his Twitter page to post Zendaya Folukemi Adeni Bunyo. I hope I got the pronunciation, but yes, these people have been giving us content we want to see right from the scratch. At the beginning, people thought, okay, their love was not going to last, but here they are welcoming their first child. I'm so excited and I'm so happy for them. On to the next one. We're having twins next. We're having triplets, quadruplets, and many others. Don't go anywhere. It's still the Gist on Plugtv. On another Instagram drama. So, a few days ago, a girl took to her Instagram page to post a video of Naira Marley sleeping. That's like premium content. Anyways, we know Naira Marley went to Dubai, but what we did not know was that he was warming the bed of some girl in Dubai. And now people came out to react. Naira Marley this one, Naira Marley that one. Then our king of cruise, our Malian king, our Mapo Kruna, took to his Instagram page and posted a picture of himself sleeping in a bed, and he captioned it Zinzo Low, which means the woman's reproductive organ is meant to be, you know what I'm saying, I don't want to go into details, but yes, I like the way he came out to clear himself and to show that, okay, this thing does not actually mean anything. Because if you remember, 2 years ago, a girl tried this thing with Peruzzi and it went viral. So our old brother Naira Marley was trying to cover his own face. So, I'm a Malia for life, Naira Marley, ma for mo wa pẹ̀lú ẹ. It's still the Gist on Plugtv. Don't go anywhere. My name is Oyin. La. Egugu, be careful. Now express you take go. Now, if you're not familiar with this song I just sang, you need to ask yourself, am I Nigerian at all? Because this song has gone viral. In fact, it has even left Nigeria. It has went outside. So Obesere has made a comeback. Now, I don't know when to bring out that song, or whoever the Baba is that did the jazz for him, that his fame now started blowing again. But whoever did it for him did it very well, because the whole streets of Twitter and Instagram, in fact the whole of Nigeria, has been boiling with Egungun be careful now express you they go. Everything you see now, Egungun be careful now what? Now express you they go. But yes, what I want to tell you is he is planning to drop a song with Zlatan. Like, I'm trying to see how the combination will be. Like, Egungun be careful now express you they go. Kapach my park. Anyways, watch out for it, because it promises to be a banger. I am sitting here and I am waiting to see what they are going to unfold. I would like to see if Obesere will actually wear the shimmy he is known for, because that guy's musical videos, they are not from here at all. Don't go anywhere. It's still the Gist on Plugtv. On the final hit of today, I don't think any episode of this The Gist will go by without us mentioning our one and only Bobrisky. That guy happens to give us drama every week. There's always one fresh drama or the other. Now, on the drama of this week, hey, now if you remember when Bobrisky was posting on Bob Wayne, he's starting his lash business. He's starting his lashes, his importing lashes from one place. He's coming to do this, so he's coming to do that one. Apparently, Bob Wayne is not actually for Bobrisky. It's for some certain merry woman that tried to make Bobrisky the face of her business, so that he will use his popularity to sell the lashes. Apparently, Bobrisky duped her of her money, and I don't know what he used the money for, but of course, he has to keep up with his extravagant lifestyle. Now, according to what we heard, Bobrisky was arrested. Hey? Now, when they said he was arrested, my question now is, will he be put in the male prison or the female prison? If you ask me, who I go ask. Now, that's all we can take on today's episode of the Gist on Plugtv. Now, I want to keep talking, but as they say, time waits for no man. Time would not permit. So before you go, please like this video, drop your comments on whatever you think, and subscribe to this channel to be able to get fresh information, fresh entertainment, and fresh education straight from the source immediately it drops. My name is Oyin Damola. I am your host with the most. Stay hydrated, wash your hands always, and of course, live a beautiful life. Till we meet again on another episode of the Gist on Plugtv. Bye bye.
Like,